Hello friend, how are you? I am Raihanul Islam. I have bought you a special product name. ChatGPT ebook review, product description. Brand new PLR pack turns ChatGPT into your own collection of 10,000 plus unique ebook in multiple niche. Your very own content business without typing any word yourself. This is demo video.
Hey there. We all know that content is the lifeblood of any online business. Having your own info products, ebooks, PDFs, or even just regular articles on the web is the fastest way to internet riches. Most importantly, people who are selling content, info products, or even article services to other people are making an absolute killing right now. Fact is, content marketing is already a $500 billion industry. And marketers who are able to sell their own content packaged as ebooks, info products, or articles stand to make tens of thousands of dollars every month. Just take a look at some of our own results. The problem? Ebooks and PDF info products are expensive to create if you outsource and pay a team of writers. Writing content yourself takes forever, and nobody ever got rich doing all the work themselves. And don't get me started on so-called content creators that only give you rehashed PLR or badly rewritten or spun articles. That's why beginner and expert marketers alike have had a hard time cracking the secret content code. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up. What if you had a one-click solution that enables you to instantly generate 100% unique ebooks in literally any niche on earth? Ebooks that you have PLR rights to, but that are original and have never been used before. And what if you could use these ebooks as your own to sell to others? Launch on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, packaged as info products. Publish on Kindle, become an author. To build your list for free on your site. Split them into chunks and publish as articles on your blog. What happens if you get an unlimited stream of unique content? Put simply, you'd be a king. There's a brand new ebook pack going live today that lets anyone, yes, even complete newbies, get PLR and reseller rights access to thousands of ebooks that are 100% unique and written using ChatGPT. How are we pulling this off? It's not PLR. It's not rehashed, rewritten content. It's not by using an article spinner. GPT ebook pack is a brand new PLR ebook pack that just went live, which lets you create custom and 100% unique content and put
Get access to 10,000 plus unique ebook in hundreds of niche written exclusively for your using ChatGPT in just simple 3 step. Step 1. Open GPT ebook pack and select your niche. Step 2. Add your name or your silence name and hit download. Step 3. Use the ebook on your own business. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, can you then see the product? Thank you so much.